Hey, great job for downloading that one-page vendor guide cheat sheet. Check your inbox in a few minutes. We're gonna send that email straight to you. But before you go, I want you to watch this short video right here so I can show you exactly how entrepreneurs just like you is using the same strategy to build reliable vendor connection for seamless supply. You also strengthen your business knowledge without struggling to find out who's the right vendor, wondering what are the payment terms, or even the frustration of establishing vendor credit. If you ever struggle with trying to get vendor credit, this video right here will give you the process that is simple and stress-free. Now, just so we understand that you're in the right place, this is the same exact strategy that we use to help aspiring fire alarm technicians wanting to start their own fire alarm security business, IT professionals looking to get into the fire alarm industry, and also aspiring entrepreneurs looking to start their own fire alarm company. And with this system, they've been able to secure vendor credit, negotiate better terms, and build a supply chain that works without the usual frustration. This isn't just theory, this is what's working right now, so let's dive straight in. If you're like most entrepreneurs, you probably ran into one of these challenges trying to build vendor credit. That's not knowing where to start, understanding the payment terms, and how to even establish credit in the first place. I hear these same struggles every single day. But here's the truth. These are just symptoms of a much bigger problem. There's a lack of clarity and no real simple step-by-step program to actually get you from one point to the next. That's exactly why we created the vendor guide, to give you a clear, proven roadmap for securing the right suppliers quickly and efficiently. So here's how it works. Step 1, we're gonna research manufacturers and distributors. Step 2, we're gonna understand what the payment terms so we can negotiate a better deal. And step 3, I'm gonna show you how you can secure discounts and extended warranties from your vendors. With this system, our clients eliminate supply chain headaches and build long-lasting relationships with their vendors. And this is just step 5 in our flagship program, the Fire Alarm Business Blueprint. A complete system designed to take you from aspiring entrepreneur to a successful business owner in the fire alarm and security industry. Here's the roadmap. Stage 1 is the foundation building, where we have the structure selector, the license navigator, and the insurance strategist. And stage 2 is the growth strategies, where you learn how to become a market monster, learn how to build vendor credit, and also become a minority certified business enterprise. And stage 3 is our expansion opportunities. There we have our contract navigator, our brand architect, and the most important module in this whole entire lesson is our funding tool. If you want to get crystal clear on the exact steps you should be taking right now to secure reliable vendors and grow your business, book a free strategy call below. In just 30 minutes, we'll identify what's holding you back, map out a step-by-step process for you, and also determine if you're a good fit for the Fire Alarm Business Blueprint. But this is only for serious entrepreneurs, the ones who are driven to grow and succeed, open to proven strategies, and committed to building a long-term profitable business. If that sounds like you, click the link below and book your free strategy call now. I look forward to speaking with you.